How to turn on live stream on Mobile Legends. So let's get started. Once you log into your game, you can find the live stream icon on the top right of your screen. The icon is sandwiched between the leaderboard and the inbox icons. Now on the live stream tab, click on the My Channel button on the top right of the screen. If you have not explored this tab before, this page explores the live stream hub where you can see many different players live streaming their games. You can sort out the streams by the hottest streams, the newest, world's best, and many more. Now on your channel, toggle the live stream option to on. Once turned on, you'll be able to see your most played hero, your total matches with the hero, as well as the win rate. And that is it. After this step, you have successfully activated your live stream on Mobile Legend. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.